Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can embed LeadGen forms into Squarespace. We have this LeadGen multi-step form built, and I want to show you now how you can simply copy this form and paste it into your Squarespace page builder. So to do that, let's first go to Squarespace. Here we are inside our page navigation, and we're going to add it on a new page. So we go here on the plus, and we go with the page layout, which could be any of those. We're going to customize it in a bit. So let's just go with this one here, General 4. And then what we want to do is simply add a section dedicated to display the form nicely in the nice structure on the page. So we go on Edit, add a section here on top. And then a good one is right here from the headlines, you go on this one here, like where you have a 2-column structure, which is good for forms, where you can display the title and let's say bullet points on the left, and on the right you can simply paste your form embed code. So we're going to go with this. So the section comes up here on top. Here we can, for example, say contact us if this was a contact us form, which is the example we're using, and then we can get rid of those elements in a bit. For now, let's go back to LeadGen, open up your form, and then inside the form, go to the share section, and then you can go with either the direct embed or iframe code. Simply, I'm going to use the embed now, click on copy code, go back to Squarespace, and then wherever you want to paste the form, click on the plus button, and then find the code widget here, which allows you to add our code. Get rid of all this and simply paste it in here. And then don't be discouraged that it says script disabled. This is just because we're inside the builder. So inside the builder, the form won't load as we're still editing the page. So that's fine. Let's remove those few elements here and the button. And let's see if we can just edit the section a little bit more. Section height, let's increase it a bit. Okay, let's save it for now. And here we see the result, but only just on not the full screen. So to see it on the full screen, we simply can click here on the arrow, and here we go. This is what it shows for now. It's not fully optimized yet, but the form is there. So what we see is, what do we need to change? We want to increase the width of the form so that our lines don't break, that we have enough space to display this form, because it has 4 icon buttons which need a bit of space. If you had a form with simply buttons, like vertical buttons, you wouldn't have to adjust it, probably it would just fit straight away. So let's go back and go back to edit, and then we would have to basically give the form a bit more space. So we go here on the section. You can normally do this best inside the form code. Or no, basically here you can also do it in the page builder. Let's say we try to kind of reduce the spacing here of this spacer of this section. Now we have given it more space, and that should do it. Another way to change the width and height of the form is inside the form itself. That would be helpful if you already had enough space in the page builder, but the form itself is too slim and is not using all the space. Then you can do that here inside the form code. Here in the embed, it shows width 100%, so here it works with percent values. You can increase that to, let's say, 120%, 130, or you can also make it smaller. Same thing here with width. But I think in this case we're good. Let's try this out. We go on save, and again on full screen view, and there you have it. It fits the page nicely. You can obviously do more. You can move it up or down inside the builder, add your content here, and then this is how the user would navigate through the form. So that's it for Squarespace. There's other videos we've done on other page builders and how you can use LeadGen form and easily embed it there. So have a look for those if you're using another page builder, if you're just searching for the right page builder and form combination. And yeah, I'll see you in the next videos.